Hello friends, my name is Vivek Upadhyay. Today is 25th of November 2021 and my today's topic is array in Java. An array in Java is set of variables referenced by using a single variable name combined with an index number. Each item has an array in an element. All the elements in an array must be of the same type. Thus, the array itself has a type that specifies what kind of elements it can contain. An int array can contain int values, and a string array can contain strings. Friends, arrays are used to store multiple values in a single variable. Instead of declaring separate variables for each value, to declare an array, define the variable type with the square brackets. There are some important points about arrays in Java. We will see it one by one. In Java, all arrays are dynamically allocated. Since arrays are objects in Java, we can find their length using the object property length. This is different from C and C++, where we find length using size of where we find the length using size. Now, another one is a Java array variable can also be declared like other variable with square brackets after the data type. The variable in the array are ordered and each have an index beginning from 0. Java array can also be used as a static field, a local variable or a method parameter. The size of an array must be specified by an integer or short value and not by a long value. The direct superclass of an array type is object. Array can contain primitives such as int, char, etc. as well as object or non-primitive references of a class depending on the definition of the array. In case of primitive data types, the actual values are stored in contiguous memory locations. In case of object of a class, the actual objects are stored in a heap segment. Now we'll see the advantages and disadvantages in arrays. Friends, there are some advantages which you'll see one by one. First one is code optimization. It makes the code optimized. We can retrieve or sort the data efficiently. Then we can randomly access the data. We can get any data located at an index position. Now there are some disadvantages also. Main disadvantage is size limit. We can store only the fixed size of elements in the array. It doesn't grow its size at runtime. To solve this problem, collection framework is used in Java, which grows automatically. There are two types of arrays in Java. They are single dimensional array and multidimensional array. Now we will see instantiating an array in Java. When an array is declared, only a reference of an array is created. To actually create an array like this, the general form of new as it applies to as it follows. First is the variable name is equals to new type and its size is mentioned in the while declaring an array. Friends, here type specifies the type of data being allocated and the size specifies the number of elements in the array. And the variable name is the name of an array variable that is linked to the array. You must specify the type of number of elements to allocate. There are some important points which we should note. The elements in the array allocated by new will automatically be initialized to 0 and for numeric types, and false for boolean types, or null for references type. Obtaining an array is a two-step process, which is process from which first you must declare the variable of the desired array type, and second you must allocate the memory that will hold the array using new and assign it to the array variable. Thus, in Java, all types of arrays are dynamically allocated. Now we will see array literal. In a situation where the size of the array and variables of array are already known, array literals can be used. The length of this array determines the length of the array created array. There is no need to write the new int part in the latest versions of Java. That's it for today, friends. Thank you.